Hi friends, in this video we are going to add libraries to OrCad in OrCad. So first of all, run OrCad, CIS Lite, then click on new project. In new project select analog, okay, and give name to any name to your project and browse the place where you want to save your project. Okay, now select the blank, create a blank project. Okay, so now here click on the place part. Okay, here we can add libraries. Here all the libraries are already installed, so I removed all libraries. Now to add libraries, click on add library, select all of these, okay, and open. Now to add more libraries, so here select libraries, select all of these without this one. Now open. So here we have all the libraries installed in OrCad. Now you can search here any component, for example resistor,